Guys, so today we're gonna be playing Battle Cats. But before we start, could you guys please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell? Alright, here we go. Alright, we're getting started. I'm in chapter 3, so let's go to South Africa. Alright, so we're about to start. And I'm kind of new, so let's go. Alright, they're sending out some units. We don't have to worry about that. Let's send a Ninja Cat. Alright, he's doing some work. Alright, let's send out Shifu. Now let's send in this. Great start. It's not looking too bad so far. We won. Next mission. Alright, so if you guys want to make a loadout for me, you guys can go ahead. I need help, please. I'm gonna show you my cats. So I'm just gonna go through all of them, and then you guys can pick a loadout. Just leave it in the comments. Alright guys, we're almost done. We're just at the super rares, and then the uber super rares will be next. Alright, now it's the uber super rares. I only have two. I have Lin Lin and Redless Glyo, however you say his name. Alright, so if you guys want to, leave a lookout below in the comments. This is the next one. Right. Yummy chocolate bar. Alright. Let's wait till I get 480 so we can summon Shifu Cat. Alright, got him. He can't do that much damage, but he gets the job done. Let's summon another one. Alright. So we're not doing so bad so far. Hopefully they can hopefully we can do this. Yes, we're starting to get some good deals. Oh my gosh, I know the This is kind of hard. They're killing everything. And there's at least like 20. this isn't good. Alright, please don't kill Royal Cat. Say kill Royal Cat. Alright. Hopefully Shifu Cat can hold them off. Please. Yeah guys, I think we might have to take an L. Ninja Cat is attacking, but I don't think that we can do anything. Shifu Cat, he died. Yep, we took it. Alright. Well, I guess sad. Alright, let's try doing another thing, like a different game mode. So, let's go. Go back, let's go to legend stages. Alright. Let's do legend begins. Alright, we're gonna go bouncy park. Difficulty 2 stars. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright. Let's just like save up right now until we get like Shifu Cat. Go Shifu Cat. Alright, we're not doing bad, I guess. Although I don't have that much money. At least I have level 3. They sent out some comical penguins. Some royal. Shouldn't be that hard. I knew that she has like, she gets knocked back very easily. Oh guys, are we gonna take it now? No, yes, I got it. Alright, we killed one of them. Knock back one. See if we kill another one. Yes, we killed another one. It's just that one left. And we killed him. We're doing good. Let's save up for now, because we don't need that many cats now. Let's get some more. Got this. There's a Royal Cat. Alright, we're taking some off the base. Hopefully we can win. Hopefully it won't send out anything to give us. Alright, we're doing good. What's on a mythical type cat? Alright. We're doing some decent damage. Come on. Alright, we won. Alright guys, so that was gonna be everything for today. Hope you guys have a good day, and goodbye.